see the pleasure beach in the distance, I think. Or it's possibly the docks just there. And this is my caravan at Seashore. It's a Platinum Caravan again, and this time it's a Atlas Lookout, which is a Haven Design exclusive, as you can see. It's a 3 bedrooms model. I mean, obviously I booked Platinum 2 bedroom, but they've put me into a 3 bedroom model. Originally I was going to be in Seaview 24, but obviously there were some maintenance issues, so they had to reallocate me to Seaview 22. And this is my key, Seaview 22, and I'll show you around my Platinum Caravan that I've booked. I still haven't unpacked my suitcases yet, but this caravan is beautiful. So I'll show you out at the veranda first. So I'll just move them curtains out the way. This dining table's a little bit close to the Seaview balcony. And then we'll just unlock that. This is the built-in veranda. As you can see, it's a roof above. Like the Swift Lighthouse I had at Golden Sands last year, that also had a built-in veranda. There's a little washing line there. There's a little light there. There appears to be a little pouffet just there that you can sit on. I thought you could put things underneath, but obviously not. And then over here, a couple of chairs and a table. And then in here is the living room. I'll just slide that door back. There we go. Dining table there. This is the living room. So you got there's an anchor with sea breeze on it. So you got some sea themed pictures. I think that dishwasher's still on. Obviously got an electric fire there. There's a big TV there, flat screen. I think it's got it's got a built-in DVD player, as you can see. Not sure if the camera will pick it up. It's not picking it up much, but oh, there it is. That's the built-in DVD player with a TV. Is that dishwasher still running? That's a bit odd. Galley style kitchen, but you've got a nice, look at that, window on the roof there. Pretty much the first time I've had a caravan with this sort of feature. You've got like a little breakfast bar. I think that's the first time I've had a caravan with this feature. Looks nice. And there's a full-size fridge and freezer, and there's a water dispenser as well. Over there's a dishwasher. Don't know why it's running. Oh. Don't know what happened. Maybe it was just still being sterilised. And of course you've got the sink and oven and cooker and extractor fan, all the usual cupboards. I think there's some cooking. Yeah, all the cutlery and cooking utensils, so that's empty. That's empty. There's all the mugs there, and not sure what those things are. Bins, and I think there's a mop bucket there. That's the fridge. It's obviously empty at the moment because I haven't bought any shopping, and there's the freezer. More cooking utensils down there. There's a microwave, there's a dishwasher, kettle and toaster. And then over here is the first twin bedroom, and this is much to my surprise, but this twin bedroom has got bunk beds. So I think that's the bedroom I'll be sleeping in. There's a double bed on the bottom bunk, and there's a single bed on the top bunk. definitely going to be having the twin bedroom with the bunk beds. Very reminiscent of my very first caravan holiday over at Primrose Valley. Well, and of course I did also have bunk beds in my caravan over at Breydon Water back when I was 12 years old as well. So nothing new. That's the wardrobe. There's towels there. Haven do provide towels in the Platinum Caravans, so it saved me a little less space in my suitcase. Although in the other grades you can also go for a towel bale option, which you need to pay extra for. But apart from that, in the other grades you do have to bring your own towels. In the lower grades, that is. This is the second twin bedroom. Now this one's nice and spacious. So you've got some big twin beds here, but they're all spaced apart. And like the other twin bedroom, it's got a nice beach background beside it. Oh, a bit of sunlight. I'm not sure the camera's picking up a little bit. There you can see. Sorry about the darkness, I think it's the sunlight that's causing it. And over here, shower room in here. You've got your sink and toilet, and of course you've got the walk-in shower. It's not as big as the shower I had at Golden Sands last year, but it's still but it's a lot more spacious than the shower in the standard caravan that I had at Golden Sands in October last year. So I've got a little bit more room to move about in when I have a shower. And then in here it's just a cupboard. Got your ironing board, brush there. I'm not sure what that is. Probably some sort of mop, I think. Ah, and there's the ironing cover. And then in here is the master bedroom. Now I like how they've how the cleaners have done this. They've done some sort of swan style to the towels. Nice swan sculpture. But obviously I won't be using this master bedroom. However, because I've chosen the twin bedroom with the bunk beds. You've got your cupboards above, just there, the overhead cupboards, and another wardrobe. Oh, and it lights up as well. All the bedrooms have wardrobes in them. And of course essential heating in the caravan in case it gets cold. There's a little dressing table there, and there's an overhead TV. Don't think that one's got a DVD player though. No, it hasn't. And in here is the ensuite toilet. But this is a rather unusual design because you've got the toilet there, but you've got the sink above it as well. Which is a bit strange. I think it's more or less the style that you see in touring caravans, I think. And then there's the mirror, as you can see, it's me in the background. Hello. And I think that's everything that I've shown you in my Platinum Caravan at Seashore. So I'm going to unpack now. I'll just show you the other twin bedroom's got the cupboard. Just quickly. There you go. And of course you've got the cupboard. Yeah. And then there's the wardrobe in the other twin room as well. Right, well, that's everything that I've shown you around my Platinum Caravan at Seashore. It's on Seaview 22. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I'll see you all later.